Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate. Roles can be reversed also. Action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Okay? Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Leo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Leo, whosoever you are dealing with, they are coming out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. They are coming out of this feeling like a victim kind of energy. From deep inside, there's a lot of healing happening. They are kind of done with the healing thing. Now they are feeling like putting in the effort and energy in this direction, being emotionally very grounded. Now they're feeling much more aligned with their path of healing, much more aligned with their heart and soul, and now they're feeling like they should come forward and have a back and forth communication with you. Maybe you guys have to like clear the air with each other in some way. Maybe you guys had some kind of rift or some kind of issues going on, and things were up in the air. Now this person is feeling like sorting things out with you in every possible way, and now they feel like they should put in the effort and energy in this situation and heal it step by step, like do it one day at a time with you. They're not in any kind of rush or hurry to just overwhelm you with a lot of messages or communication or something. They are feeling like they should take it step by step with you and sort one thing at one time, and then move to the next, and then move to the next. But before that, before all of that, they feel like opening up the gates of communication with you, starting the proper communication with you, proper energy exchange, so that both of you can sort things out in a positive way, in a beautiful way with each other. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Star card, the Chariot card, and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Swords. This person wants to get out of their head though, because their head, you can say logical side is continuously giving them stories and scenarios that might or might never be true in this lifetime. They are like trapped in a mental jail kind of a situation, and they want to get out of that. So they want to get out of their head and they want to listen to their heart, because they want to heal the situation between you and them in a proper way, in a proper beautiful positive way. And then they want to make things work out, like make things successful and victorious, no matter how many obstacles or challenges you guys have to face in the situation. They want to take it forward, but before all of this, they want to take a step back, and they want to re-evaluate the situation from every possible angle. They want to understand each and everything about the situation, like what you did wrong, what they did wrong, why things went down, why things were not working out, and what they should change in order to make things work out in this time. This person doesn't want to mess this up. Okay, and they are going to take things really very slow. They are quite optimistic and positive that everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be sorted. All they have to do from their side is remain in an optimistic and positive and hopeful kind of energy, and keep on moving forward regardless of the obstacles and challenges. Okay, so Leo, they want to have you back in their life. Their feelings are aligned, their intentions are aligned, but still they might not be ready to take the action, because they are in the re-evaluation process right now. They are trying to learn from the mistakes. They are trying to not to repeat the same kind of mistakes or same kind of stupidity again with you. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, Leo. We have the Eight of Cups and the Hanged Man and the Lovers. Bottom of the deck is a Knight of Cups. You know, they're planning to come forward towards you with all of their heart and soul. So this person is going to enter in your life sooner or later in your life. They have this capacity, they have this intention, they have this energy of coming forward towards you, even if it is going to be just for a proper closure, if not a full-fledged relationship, because it takes two to tango. It takes two energies to make something happen in a mutual way, right? So there are very good chances of them reaching out to you in the coming future, because right now I do see they are still trying to detach. They're still trying to walk away from those people, situations, or things that they considered really good for them, really beautiful and positive for them at some point of time. But when their perception is changing, when their point of view is changing, when they are in their own zone of healing and trying to see things from different angle, different perspective, now they are realizing that the choices or decisions that they made in their life, especially in their love and relationship area, were not good. And they are trying to detach from all the previous connections, previous bonds, or previous problems, or unfinished business or businesses with other people, other situations, so that they can be completely free to reach out to you, to connect with you. This person's energies are getting much, much, much healing, positive, optimistic than what they used to be. I don't know what kind of person you were dealing with, but now they are ready to come forward towards you with love. Now they want it all with you. Now they want to heal the situation with you. But before all of that, they want to clean all the mess of the previous bonds, previous connections, previous chapters, so that they can be free to come forward towards you. And you might be the one dealing with someone else right now, and they are waiting for the time when you are going to be completely single or completely available to connect with them, reconnect with them, and start a connection with them again. So it might go either way. So if you are the one who is dealing with somebody else also, so that's why, that's it, that is the major reason that this person is not reaching out to you. If not, they might be having some people, some energies around them that they can't just erase from their life just like that. That's going to take time for them to completely detach and let them go. Then only they are planning to come back to you. Okay, let's see what is guidance for you guys for this month, for the situation. Libra, Leo. Sorry, you might be dealing with a Libra. Let's see. We have the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. Leo, if you are emotionally overwhelmed and emotionally confused regarding the situation and you're not able to move forward in your life, be brutally honest with yourself. Brutally, brutally, brutally honest with yourself. Don't lie to yourself. Don't try to pretend you're okay if you're not okay. Don't try to pretend that you don't know something when you know everything. Don't try to be restless. Don't try to be in this energy of okay, I have to do something about it. Don't make any kind of decisions or choices in any kind of impulsive energy, in any kind of I have to do this right now only, otherwise it's going to be too late. I have to do some certain things right now only. I have to tell the truth to somebody right now only, or I have to pretend something that I'm not, to be okay. Don't do anything that's going against your intuition, that's going against your own self. Stay true to yourself. Be honest with yourself, and don't forget why this situation didn't work out till this point of time. Why there was a brutal ending? Why this there was a brutal separation? Why things went down? Yeah. Don't pretend to be a fool when you're not. You know everything. You know each and everything about this situation. You know the truth about the situation on a deeper level. You understand everything. Don't try to act like a fool when you're not a fool, Leo, because it's going to bother you only. It's going to hurt you only afterwards. I'm on your side. I'm just trying to protect yourself from getting hurt again, or from getting into a troublesome situation again. If you're going to pretend that everything is okay, even if it is not, and then you're going to become restless and do something in that restlessness, or do something in that burdensome and heavy energies, all you are going to get is brutal endings again, brutal, heartbreaking kind of energies again. Clean your energies, clean your mess, be emotionally very, very, very stable and grounded, and then only make the right choices or right decisions that you want to have in your life, that you want to have in your life as an outcome, the good ones. You can prevent all of this shit from happening if you are going to be aware of your own energies, actions, and what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, kind of things. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as a guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to a question is no. It's a no, so I don't have to explain it to you guys. Still, let me see from the guidebook. This is most absolute no in this deck. Nothing fuzzy or ambiguous. This no means business. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.